We're here at the garage, by the way, for the meet. But one of my absolute favorite things about daylight saving times, is that it'll be 7 o'clock, 7:30, and it'll look like this outside. Mind you, I don't even really need the hoodie. I just like wearing hoodies because hoodies are my thing. But that sunset's nice. I wanted to tell y'all about this meet that I'm about to have. It's not gonna be big, it's not gonna be elaborate or anything like that. This meet is really just so that you guys can meet the OG crew who was out here during my first few meets. There's a few people who's gonna make it today who joined a little later, and there's also a few people who can't make it today. So they're gonna be on their way soon. It is about to be 7:30. Got a lot in store for y'all today. There's one of our VQ boys. That's Malik. That's my boy right there. So, we're getting things started now. To explain, I was originally gonna have the meet on the roof, and then it started raining. So I parked down here, but now it cleared up again. Should I tell him? I should tell him. Nah, I'm not gonna tell him. I'll tell him later. What's up, my boy? I'm gonna have to get you my other hand, bro. I'm sorry about it, bro. Sorry about it, man.
Are you serious, my brother?
A lot of people said they're gonna be late because they had to get gas, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm low on gas. So I'm chilling. Someone else is here. That's Landon. There's that boy Cooter.
Nigga pull up in the Mustang, man. Oh my. Once he gets his fitment right, bro, that's my guy.
We have two of the OGs so far, that being Malik and Cooter. Landon joined us later, but I still count him as an OG. That's why I invited him out to this meet. This is my boy Cooter. What's good, man? First, probably gonna be the last, and probably gonna be the loudest EcoBoost I've ever had here. It's about to get loud.
About to make it out.
I say the last EcoBoost because Matt's about to blow his motor on purpose to put a 5.0 in it.
Cooking soul.
So what's your name?
Chris.
Chris, what you got here for us?
I got a Mark 7 GTI. It's stage 2 full bolt-on at the moment. I don't really have too many exterior mods, but I got like an intake, a downpipe, intercooler, upgraded ignition coils, spark plugs. I got a Dogbone engine mount. I got BC Racing coilovers, Koenig wheels, and they're 18x9. And then I got Michelin Pilot Sport all seasons. They're 245x40. I make like 300 to like 330 wheel, like 400 torque, something like that.
Okay. You mind popping the hood for us?
Yeah, I can do that. Yes! Yes. It's also pretty dirty as well.
Oh yeah, that's dirty, all right. That's real dirty.
Hey, don't look at the inside, bro. Don't look at the inside. That shit dirty. Come on now. Part of him is this car. He knows about it. I do the exact same thing. He wants to drop his seat.
Are you serious, my brother?
Nice.
Sorry, I saw cake. Is this the one that works too?
No, that's the one that doesn't work out.
No, look, I'm telling CC.
I need this thing on balance.
No, it's not.
All right, bro.